Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I was drawing something like this the other day. And this particular part won't be a very good, important video, but how I got something done is. So I'm going to hold down the control button and draw a perfect ellipse and hit P. And then I'm going to take a rectangle. I've already got it, but I'll draw another one. We just want it bigger than the item, so I'm going to hold down the control button. Well, no, we don't want to hold down the control button, but we can hit now P and put it in the center of the page. And because it's a rectangle and because it's in the center of the page, we can control D and rotate it 45 degrees, and it's going to rotate on its axis. Now we're going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill in this part, and I'm going to actually nudge it over twice. Looks like I nudged that one too many times. So we'll just put it back. All right, now we got completely different pieces of the pie. And we're going to go ahead and combine them right now. And then I'm going to hit P, put them center page. Now I'm going to left click and right click. And you see the different pieces. Now here's why I decided to make the video. You need to select all the outer shapes to get these rounded corners. So how do you do that? You select them all, hold down the Shift key, and select those, deselect them. The Shift key will deselect them. Let's go to Windows, Dockers, Corners, and we'll do like a 1/2 inch on a fillet. It's actually showing us what it's going to do. I don't know if you can see that in your monitor. But there you have that right there, a corner. I'm not going to say you're ever going to draw this shape, but it is something to think about. And then let's think about other ways to do things. Hold down the control button, making another ellipse and hit P. And let's see the different weld tools that work and the ones that do not work. If we weld that, we take out the circle. That alone is pretty cool. Let's intersect it. We got that. Pretty cool. But here's what you need to do. Because this is one piece, because we combined it at the very first, we can go back minus front or front minus back and get rid of that center part. And then we can hit blue and make it look like a flower. Kind of cool way to do things. And you know, the main reason I decided to make the video was for that one item right there when you can deselect. So let's select everything, hold down the Shift key, and then just draw a box around those. And then you've deselected them. Let's round them all off. Let's take them and just select them all. Go up to Windows, Dockers, Corners. And let's look at that. Pretty cool that you can turn corners like that on items. You know, you could turn them less or more. Let's do this. Let's use our tool to hold down the Shift to select those. Let's do those a 1/2 inch. Now we can just readily select those. And let's do those just 1/4 inch. Pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. And thank you for watching.